Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video on the right side. And since this option is highlighted, and if you can see this dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now basically all you have to do is to simply enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the resolution, and we've got two different options from which we can choose. We've got the FHD, which is the full HD, and this option is currently applied. It is notified here. What's more, this icon is highlighted in this bluish color, and we can change it to 4K. And all you have to do is to simply tap on 4K. Right now it is highlighted, it is notified right here, which simply means that it has been applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. What's more, the option which is connected with the resolution are the frames per second. We've got let's say two different options here to choose from, the 30 and 60 frames per second. You can change it the same way, and in FHD we've got also this one, which is automatic option. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.